How's it going, everyone? My name is School Oyster. Welcome back to another episode of Lollipop Chainsaw. So today, obviously I've been posting videos, multiple videos today. So we just finished off fighting the last, not the final boss, but the last boss of the posses or so. So right now we're going to be dealing with killabilly. And we're going to continue on to You Got MP3s as a reward cleaning 5 stage. Does that mean we have all the MP3s, or... I'm curious. Hold on. Let's go ahead and check on the R stuff. No concept art was on except for this one. We're almost completing the music collection. We're missing a few. Now, I don't know if completing the game would make it easier for us, but hopefully. So we got the platinum medals. Okay, cool. We got all the 100% item combo. Obviously a lot of costumes. We only have about almost close to 50% of the costumes being completed. Achievements is going to be a bit difficult for some reason. Not a lot of zombies. I try my best to get all these wrappers, but I'm not certain where all the rest of them are. Let's see what this one says.
Juliet, it's Mom. I'm getting everything ready for your party tonight. We have a few surprises. Where are you? Can't wait. Love you.
Is there another one? Yeah, right here.
It's Cordelia, Juliet. You know Mom is throwing you a big party, so be home early, okay? Don't flake out like usual.
It's not. Is this the first time she flakes out on anyone?
Hello. You've reached Gideon Starling. I'm not here right now, and I ain't figured out how to use this dag-blasted voicemail, so please call me back later. Over.
I'm assuming that was his dad. I mean, her dad. I mean. All right, guys. We are going to go kill Billy. Let's get going.
Juliet, can you hear me, Juliet?
Morikawa-sensei! You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet? My prized student. It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me? I just heard you. You're right there.
It was the wind or something.
Please, both of you. Juliet, you must first get close to Killabilly. But be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
That was it.
Juliet, watch out!
Oh crap!
I think you can use the cars to make a path.
Like the buttons are not. There we go. No, not what I want. Oh, I killed 3 of those guys? Okay. Oh, come on.
Man, oh man.
Can't use the Nick ticket. Okay, he's dead. Like, come on, I'm like pressing it like 3 times. And it's like taking a sweet delay. Come on. There we go. What hit me? No, seriously, what hit me? Get off of me. Why? Where am I? Why? What the fuck happened? Get off of me. For fuck's sakes. I honestly don't understand what is hitting me. Are you telling me this cop is fucking hitting me? Fuck off.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance, and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
I just heard the double audio laugh. Ace Auto Shop class.
Juliet and Nick.
And I wasn't able to
it's
get
me
that
again.
fucking lollipop because
See
everything's
that
been
tab
hitting
over
me
there?
at the same time.
Follow it to that bastard, Killabilly.
I would like a special combo number 5 with our tries, ecstasies, and your head.
The best calories.
So they never taught you how to fight one of these killabilly things?
Zombies, vampires, Sasquatches.
You killed a Sasquatch?
Sure, tons. Sasquatches are dicks. But this kind of monster, I didn't even know it existed.
Okay, and let's. Let's go ahead.
Let's go!
I
happened.
Oh, good. Zombies that shoot laser beams out of their eyes. Yeah, I felt like something was missing. Well, what else have you killed?
Leprechauns. I killed a whole tribe of Frankenberries once.
Frankenberry? From like the cereal?
Ugh, that is total propaganda to get you to trust them. Strawberry is my favorite!
Trying to make sure I don't die from getting hit by the laser. Oh, we have to. So far, I haven't been getting hit, so that's a good part.
Ready? Go! Looking good.
Come on here, come on.
I don't know if I haven't gotten this far in my training. Go!
All right, we're right underneath him.
There's gotta be a way. We have to think.
I just fucking hit him. Are you telling me bullshit?
This isn't possible. He's too strong.
Like, I hit him and I'm still getting hit.
Shoot his damn eyes out!
What do you think I'm doing, Nick? Even hitting that damn zombie, I'm gonna get fucking hit no matter what. I'm gonna run out of ammo.
This isn't possible. He's too strong.
Can I hit his other glasses? Alright, you can't.
Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley.
I still get hit regardless. What am I supposed to do with his fingers? running out of
Shoot
ammo.
his damn eyes out!
What do you think? I'm running out of fucking ammo.
Shoot his damn eyes out! Shoot his damn eyes out!
I didn't mean to press it again. I'm gonna run out of ammo at this point.
Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley.
I didn't even press the trigger again. I didn't even press the trigger again. What in the fuck was that?
Shoot his damn eyes out!
I didn't even press the fucking trigger again. I pressed it once.
Shoot his damn eyes out!
What do I do about this damn car?
I'll be so happy when you kill this guy!
Pretty cool.
Please, God, help me! Jesus Christ!
Really? Why did the helicopter do that? I'm stuck.
Please, God, help me! Jesus Christ!
I'm just like hitting his damn fingers.
Try jumping on his body! jump on his body!
Did you see the way that dude's head back there splattered all over everything? If I had put you in a mailbox, you would have missed that. It was pretty cool.
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
Well, I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Never tried getting inside of someone else's.
Juliet, now! Before the hole closes!
But my daddy, no!
You must go into Killabilly's body before the hole your father created closes! His weakness is inside his body!
I can't!
Juliet, listen to me! You have to go now! Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
Juliet, can you hear me? I don't know what's going to happen next. Something very frightening, something demonic is in the air. Good. Not. Be careful. Juliet!
Oh my God, Dad. I really hope this was worth it. Oh my God, the stench.
Juliet, are you there?
Sensei?
That's his core. Listen carefully. This is your final lesson. Killabilly is a mountain of tainted flesh, held together by evil spirits. You have to send a signal from its core, commanding it to self-destruct. Once the body is destroyed, all of the captured souls will be sent back to Rotten World. Take control of his core and make him destroy himself.
How?
By detonating a Nick bomb.
A what?
Like you have throughout this battle, you must connect Nick's head to Swan's body.
But what will happen to Nick?
I am so sorry, as Nick would die. But perhaps...
Sensei? I can't hear you!
You were right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us. But it's time to say goodbye. Put me there and make the bomb.
What?
You need to put me on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
Nick, no! He said you'll die!
Juliet, it's okay. I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have been on this journey with you and your family. I feel like a zombie hunter.
I can't, Nick. I don't want to be without you.
I know, baby. But sometimes there are more important things than what we want in life.
Nick. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. More than anything.
Well?
Okay, finally we got a B plus
Yes!
for the
Totally awesome.
always answer the phone. Did we get all the answers to the phone? Apparently. But it's the first time we got a B plus on the completion time.
Nick! Yes, son. Because of your honor and sacrifice, the mad feast has come to an end. You have truly been a hero. The glorious ones have chosen to bless you with a reward. But unfortunately, in the shuffling of this death and that death, this body and that, there was a small mix-up.
A mix-up?
I will be watching you from above, so please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bear.
Pervy old sensei.
Juliet?
Nick!
Juliet!
Oh my god, that
The
is...
mix-up. I've got Morikawa's body. Well, what the hell, I guess.
What? How was there a mix-up?
Hey, face suckers! Up here! Daddy, you're okay!
Yep. Think I lost a testy in the blast, but what the hell? You only need one.
Looking great, sir.
We best hurry. Your mama's gonna be worried.
How do they mix a
Daddy,
body? I'm curious.
don't you think you
'cause-
should go to the
but,
hospital?
I think
Not
Nick's
necessary.
body died first
I used to
before
stick a gun up there to put the
Morikawa.
old scrope back together again. I'm a new man.
Completely horrifying. You know what? This has really been the best birthday ever.
And all the people around it died. Is that even considered to be the best birthday? I don't know. I guess there's some people alive. Now, I mean, Nick is given a new body, but I don't know how I don't know how is there a mix-up. You should know between your body, your own body, and the other body. And then the sensei is like, tell Juliet to wear those white panties with those teddy bears picture on it. It brings me back of my childhood. It's been a fun game, honestly. It's been a fun game. Was it like the original? I don't know. I can't say for certain. Seems like we're going back to all the previous locations. Okay, we're making our way back to Juliet's house with all the previous locations we went to kill a lot of the zombies. Or not. We're just going through a round. I'm trying to see if we got the good ending or the bad ending. I'm trying to figure that out. I feel like we should be getting the good ending since we saved everyone.
Mom, I'm home!
Mama, your lover boy is back.
Everyone, where were you? You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Mom, I have someone I want you to meet.
Mrs. Starling, hi, I'm Nick.
Oh, you're Juliet's friend.
Mom, what's wrong?
Juliet?
Will you kids just hold on 2 seconds? I'm trying to get Juliet's birthday cake ready. Happy birthday.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, Juliet, I almost forgot.
What are the balls for? Oh, they're lollipops. Okay, I was like, wait a minute, why are there balls? Congratulations, you beat the game. Special items are now on sale on the shop2shop.zom. You have new messages in your telephone. Let's go take a look real quick. Now you can choose very hard difficulty. Try playing that difficulty in ranking mode. Well, anywho, the good thing is we got the good ending. I'm pretty sure that if we didn't save all the students, I think we would have got the bad ending. to where the mother, we go back to the same scene on where the mother is, but instead of the mother showing the cake, I think the mom's a zombie, if I remember correctly from the original game. But yep, that is it for Lollipop Chainsaw, and in a little while I'll be starting on a new game for you guys to be posting. I don't want to do that. And as usual, guys, thank you again, and I will see you all on the next game. Later.